I'm not a big fan of this original pad here. Whenever you put some stuff here, let's say the key or some other stuff like a pen, it all rolls around and slips. So I went to Amazon and I found this pretty cool silicone charging tray. So all you do is you remove this, just pull it out. Has also a handle to pull it out. Throw it away, and then you have here the charging pad, so which means now you put this silicone tray in here. You still have great access to the UPS charger, fits nice and snug. Now you have space for all the other small stuff. Put in here the key or whatever you want to put. And then also I got here also a charging cord. This fits nice here. When you put your phone here, it fits nicely and it starts charging right away, as you see. And as the silicone is a little bit thinner, it has actually better connectivity than the original tray.